So we got some big stuff going on in baby doge right now. The whole overall market is still down, but we have some green inside of baby doge. So anyways, we're going to go over this. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice, but let's go over this. So as you can see right now, we are at 8Z 1300 again. We're at 1327. And as you can see here, we bounced off of this 8Z1 support and we started to go up from there. So all that is pretty good. You can see here, baby doge is up a lot right now, 8.4% in the last 24 hours. It was up more than that earlier, but it was like 10% earlier. But yeah, it's doing extremely well. 25 million inside of trading volume. So yeah, you can see it's been doing all right. It's been doing decent. We have over here, holders have been going up 1,887,000 holders all the way up to 1,891,000 holders. So within the last 2 weeks, we have gotten a good amount of holders. Yeah, baby doge is doing pretty good. 4,000 holders within the last 2 weeks. So that's actually decent. Now, the news that we got here is this. So the farm, or not the farm, the bridge. Baby doge has literally just now created a bridge. Not just now, but they just now did the Ton bridge. So we already have a few other bridges, right? They did the Solana one first. Well, first they technically did Ethereum, but everyone kind of forgets about Ethereum. They don't even have the option to bridge to Ethereum here. Ethereum just costs too much for its fees. So I guess they're not even focusing on that. But yeah, as you can see, we got the Solana bridge. Then they did the base bridge. And now they have the Ton bridge. So the Ton bridge right here is the new bridge that Baby Doge just now created. So we now finally have a bridge for Ton. So that's actually pretty big. They were talking about this a while ago. They actually did it. So yeah, they didn't even release any teasing. They just kind of dropped it. And I feel like it works way better when they just drop stuff. Like, don't tease it. Literally, just drop it. Because when you just drop it, like, people don't expect it. And the market doesn't price in what's about to happen. If you tease it, people are going to trade based on that news leading up to it. And then when it actually happens, they're most likely going to sell the trade against the news. And then that's going to, cause the price to go down. But when you do it like this and you just kind of drop it, it really does cause the price to go up. So this was actually a good launch for that. But anyways, Baby Doge fam, it's time to cross the bridge. The bridge to Ton chain is now live. That means seamlessly bridging to one of the fastest growing chains in crypto, and it is growing pretty fast. So yeah, Baby Doge is now on Ton. So that's actually huge. Good news. Shout out to the developers for creating that. And then we have over here, Binance is actually offering interest on Baby Doge now. So if you deposit Baby Doge into that, you can actually earn Baby Doge now. So it's like a staking thing. So anyways, this is actually pretty big. Now it's inside Chinese, so obviously I can't read it. But if you can see there, 3.69% there, and then you can see over here 4.22%. So you could stake Baby Doge on Binance, but I can't read Chinese. So yeah, I think that is Chinese. I don't want to. Yeah, I think that is Chinese. But anyways, I can't read that, so I can't tell you guys what it says. It might be Japanese, might be Chinese. I don't know. But this is actually pretty big that you can actually stake Baby Doge directly on Binance. So that's actually good news for the Baby Doge army. But anyways, this is all I got for that. Now, as for the prices, there's still a possibility that Baby Doge can continue to drop, because you got to think about all the stuff that's going on inside the market. And that's from the crypto market to all the financial markets, right? There's just too much going on, especially in the political space. And then if you think about it, if Bitcoin drops down to 71K, or I mean 74K, that's where the Bitcoin support is. If it drops down to 74K, we're still going to end up seeing Baby Doge falling if Bitcoin falls. So if Bitcoin continues to fall, Baby Doge will continue to fall. And Bitcoin's more than likely going to continue to fall. So that's just what I believe personally. Like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice, but I do believe Bitcoin is more than likely going to continue to fall. So this is kind of like this is almost like a bull trap. So I would definitely say proceed with caution. Don't just go buying a bunch of Baby Doge, because you think that it's going to start pumping because they're releasing news. Like anything could happen at this point. So I would definitely proceed with caution. I think it's going to continue to pull back. That's just what I think, though. You might have a different theory. It looks like it's going to go up. Maybe it'll go ahead and hit this resistance at 8Z 1400, or maybe not. But what I'm actually seeing here is some heavy resistance. If you actually look at this, we're having heavy resistance right here, and we've had it right there before as well. And then if you look, there was also heavy support there when we first initially dropped. That's actually at the end of those candlesticks here on the 2nd of February. So there was heavy support there, and you can see it here. So let me just go ahead and draw it so you can see good support there, good support there, good support there. Support then becomes the resistance once it's broken. Good resistance here, good resistance there, good resistance where we are now. So that is something that people need to pay attention to. And then when you come all the way back here to the 15th of July of last year and the 14th of July of last year, 19th and the 20th, good resistance that whole time, literally. So that's a little bit above it, but it's still good resistance. So let's say we end up going up to about 1400, we still have good resistance up there as well. So we might end up getting rejected there again. And then you can see again, it's used as support here. And then again, it's used as resistance here and then support here. So that's a very significant level. There's a possibility that we could be getting rejected. And I know it kind of looks a little lopsided because it's kind of hard to draw a straight line with this. I don't know why it's so hard, but let me make it a little bit more straight here. So yeah, anyways, I do believe that we're going to have some pullbacks here. So we could be having another pullback. I don't know when, but it could be coming soon. Anyways, this is all I got for you all today. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Definitely hit the like button and subscribe, all that good stuff. And as always, I'll be back with another video.